This is a 5T machine for a customer from Sudan. Machine produces 3,000 kilograms of solid tube ice with 35mm diameter in 24 hours. We use German bitzer 12 horsepower compressor and Siemens touchscreen on the machine. The evaporator part is manufactured with SUS 304 steel. Ice machine with eco-friendly type refrigerant R404A. Machine power consumption 10.3 kilowatts per hour. Actual output capacity from factory test is 3,300 kilograms per day. An ideal option for ice business investment. Let's wish our customer good business in ice sales. If you need tube ice machine, welcome to send us an inquiry. We are happy to hear from you.